today I'm going to be showing you how to do a back hip circle. Also, when I do it, I'm going to be pulling over like that, which I do have another video to teach you how to do that. So first I'm just going to show you how to do a back hip circle, and then I can explain. So that's what a back hip circle would look like. As you saw, I did a cast, which is kind of just hitting your hips off the bar one time. When you're starting though, you would probably do 3 casts, and then when that gets easier, just do 1 cast. But when I'm up here and I'm casting, you want to make sure your back isn't arched. It's just nice and straight like this. And then when you're going down, make sure to not just drop and then try to pull yourself over. That is very difficult. So that's why the cast really helps, and then try to swing around right away and get your hips to the bar like this. And then here, we cast, and right away have your body really close and swing around. Also for that, when you're casting back hip circle, you want to not like slouch down. You want to stay nice and straight. And a big thing also would be when you're going around, make sure to keep your arms nice and straight so that you don't just kind of drop. And also, do not bend your head back. Always be looking at the bar. Otherwise that could hurt your head and it would mess you up. It's very hard. Your body's going to follow your head, so that is going to be very difficult to get around doing that. Also, when you do that, you can also do a double back hip circle, which is the same thing, just going around twice. So that's what a double back hip circle would be, but make sure you can really master a back hip circle first. So that's how you do a back hip circle, and then also, like I said, you can learn how to pull over, which is just a good way to get up. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. See you next time. Bye!